This is my ceiling fan helicopter blade experiment. It is a NACA 0012 profile. It does 575 RPM at high speed, 421 at medium, 245 at low speed, and then the next click is off. The 3D printed blocks, one of them holds to the curvature, and I had to modify things a whole bunch of times, so I made a 10 degree wedge. So the blades are actually pitched at 10 degrees. The blade is 34 inches long from hub to tip. And I'll just set it down. Start it up. Not terribly exciting to look at, but it is fun to listen to if below the plane